Changing the poll style on your WordPress website can enhance user engagement and match your site's overall design. You can customize polls either through plugins or by tweaking the code directly. Here's how to do it. Using a poll plugin. Install a poll plugin. The easiest way to add and change poll styles is by using a plugin like WP Polls, YOP Poll, or Poll Daddy. Configure the plugin. After installing and activating the plugin, go to the plugin settings. Change poll style. Many plugins offer customization options directly in the settings panel, allowing you to adjust colors, font styles, and button shapes. You can also upload custom CSS to match the poll with your site's theme. Save changes. After customizing the look and feel of your poll, save your changes, and the new style will be applied to any polls displayed on your site. Customizing via custom CSS. Access Customizer. Go to Appearance, Customize, and select Additional CSS. Add Custom CSS. Add Custom CSS code to modify the poll's appearance. Publish changes. Click Publish to save the changes, and your polls will reflect the new style.